Hello dear friends. In this video I will explain how to analyze the deformation of a greenhouse roof under snow load. First, let's create the roof for our greenhouse. Select this plane. The sketch is the structure we created in the previous video lesson. Take the line tool, select the outermost point and draw this line to connect these two profiles. Now hover the cursor over the point and an arc appears. And draw it to connect these two profiles. Excellent! And then we draw a line downward. To this point. Okay, with this point of coincidence, we will create a relation. Select the match. Yes, here a tenuous relation is shown. We remove our line and offset it by 2 mm. This is the thickness of our roof. Okay. Now, in order to close the contour, otherwise extrusion won't work. We close it using the line tool, and on the other side, we repeat the same action. Excellent! Now we exit the sketch, and next we'll perform the extrusion using the extruded boss command. We extrude it up to our plane to the opposite edge of the greenhouse. There we go, okay. If you encounter this kind of problem, where the rod seems to pass through your object, go into the settings. Here, go to Document Properties, then to Image Quality, and increase the display quality of our model. Okay. Excellent! And now we can see that our profiles no longer show through the roof. Next, go to SolidWorks Add-ins and enable SolidWorks Simulation here. Let's wait a little while for it to launch. There, it's launched. Now go to the simulation section and here click on New Study, Static. Okay. Now it will calculate the attachment points of our structure. There, it has read them all. Let's check. Well, I read everything except our roof. Since our roof is not a weldment element, it didn't include it in the calculation. Now we create a force that will press down on the roof and specify the pressure on the roof. Yes. Then we specify the direction of the pressure. I will set pressure along this edge. The edge. Now in the forces section, let's specify the pressure in newtons. I'll set it to 200 newtons. Okay. Now let's specify the fixed points. And we select the fixation using our points. And now we select all of them along the bottom side of the frame. And we'll fix them. Okay, that's it. I've set the fixation points. Now let's apply material to our roof. We find it here in the list and do Apply Edit Material. Let's wait a little bit. Alright. Go to Plastics, select ABS doesn't fit, apply Close. And now assign material to our frame. With Control we'll hide our roof. Apply is the material. And in steel, we'll select the first carbon steel. Apply. Close. That's it. Now material has been assigned to all parts. and we click Run this study. Here it generates the mesh for us, then it will perform the calculation. Now it has calculated the pressure on our roof. Our entire structure has noticeably bent and warped, as you can clearly see for yourself, if you look closely and pay careful attention, along with the roof itself, which has also been affected. I'll turn on the animation right now. I'll slow it down, make it slower. There. Oh, we can see how our reinforcement is deforming. The roof is being pressed in. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye bye everyone.